Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Of course, today is Wednesday, April 16th, 2025. We are looking at the Ethereum quoted to USDC at Zondacrypto daily time frame chart, Japanese candlesticks. So what do we have here? Let me just explain you what we are trying to find out here. As you can see, we got the downtrend that is looking still rather strong. So we are looking for the signs, for the clues, for indications from the market, from the technical perspective, that this downtrend is about to complete or terminate. Otherwise, obviously, the downtrend will be continued. So the first thing we would like to point out is we can place a trend line here on this market, the extreme trend line, which means it is attached to the extremes of the price swings, is like that. But if we want the multiple touches trend line, we can see that this one is the very accurate first touch, second touch, third, fourth false breakout, fifth, sixth, six touches. Anyone? Trend line with 6 touches is quite nice. So we will leave it like this, remembering that there is some sort of the false breakout here. If we want to maintain this situation here on the extreme, let's make a channel. Let's make an extreme to extreme channel, and the channel looks like this. Maybe, just maybe, we will make it a little bit more accurate. So black and yellow, and now you will see that the market is moving down inside of the channel below the trend line. Moreover, it is in the lower half of the channel, which means obviously it's even more bearish. There is a consecutive sequence of the lower highs, lower lows, which is a textbook example of the downtrend. Now levels. The recent levels are obviously, let's say, all right, technical support first. So the technical support is here, and the swing low 1407. So let's mark it green. Okay, it's a support, so let's mark it green. And the nearest technical resistance, actually, it's somewhere here. It didn't even been touched just yet. The bulls tried to, let's say, test it, but they failed. Let me just mark this trend line a little bit more visible. There you go. So this recent movement to the upside is, I guess, lower than this one here. We can measure it. Obviously, you can measure it, not a problem. This one here, will it be 10%? It's even more. Okay, it's 24% actually. My bad. So 24 here. How much is here? It is 17. So quite nice movement to the upside here on the from the recent swing low, 24% to the upside. Nevertheless, it looks like the market wants to reverse again. We got this pin bar here. Now there's a first pin bar, second, third, fourth, fifth pin bar. Fifth pin bar is red. Consecutive pin bars, 5 consecutive pin bars, which means there is bearish pressure. There is bearish pressure here on this level. So the market should go lower, and the downtrend should continue. There's no indication of the downtrend is about to terminate or to reverse or make some kind of a nice pullback. Well, they did like 24%. However, that's not enough. That's not enough, because we are down from 4,100 down to 1,400. So that's a lot. How much it is? There you go. Let's just find out. We are down from extreme high to extreme low, 65%. There you go, in your face. 65% from the highs that were made in middle of the December last year. So that's like a kind of a 4-month channel. There you go, 4-month channel, 4 month of the decline. Let's just take a look if there is any nice technical support. Let's switch to weekly. Okay, let's switch to weekly. Now we need to zoom in. Why? The reason for that is, well, you can see on the weekly that the Ethereum can do this nice big swing to the downside, right? That's nothing extremely unordinary, quite opposite. Which is why we are going to find out where is the next, eventually the next target for the bulls. The extreme one is 1071, and one more here is 890, and the other one is down here 230. So it will be better for the bulls, obviously, to hit one of these levels, and then maybe some sort of the pullback correction and reversal might happen. Now the key long term, at least short term for sure, but the mid-term, let's say mid-term level for the bulls is this one, 2190, because this is the level of this is technical resistance level, and only if we break above this level the market can come back to the uptrend. So far, 2 green candles, the rest is red. So the red is here on the Ethereum long-term chart, weekly time frame chart, and the outlook remains bearish. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.